All right, here's Troy with her babies. They're eating regular food, but there's Mama. Get in there with them, Mama, so they'll be in front of the camera. Get in there. The regular collars. Okay, where'd the blue one go? Come on, we gotta get. Move this out of the way. Move, Troy. Alright, there we go. We're over there. We're hiding. Puppies. You thought you'd get away from the camera getting in here, huh? Anyway, that's their food bowl, their water bowl. Let's freshen the water. Dump the old out, some new in. We're going to run back in here with Mama now. The original collars, I seem to have misplaced them, but I got two of the same basic color. And so everybody can know whose is whose. But those are Troy's puppies. And today is what? The 16th of April. April 16th, 2023. Troy's puppies.